Magnesium Oil Spray for sleep. Can't sleep? Have you tried Magnesium Oil Spray? Let's dive into how it works and where to apply it for better sleep.
Chapter 1. How to use Magnesium Oil Spray for sleep. Magnesium is essential for muscles, nerves, and even sleep quality. Did you know many sleep issues like insomnia or restless legs may be linked to magnesium deficiency?
Magnesium oil spray is a quick and easy solution. It's applied directly to the skin, delivering magnesium where your body needs it most.
Chapter 2. Magnesium and Sleep. The Connection. Magnesium helps regulate GABA, a neurotransmitter that relaxes your brain and calms your nervous system, setting the stage for restful sleep.
It also reduces stress by lowering cortisol levels, helping you wind down for the night.
Chapter 3. How Magnesium Oil Works. When you spray magnesium oil on your skin, it's absorbed directly into your bloodstream. This bypasses the digestive system, making it a great option for those with sensitive stomachs.
It works by calming muscle tension and promoting overall relaxation, key to a good night's sleep.
Chapter 4. Where to apply Magnesium Oil Spray for sleep. Your feet are the perfect spot. They have large pores, making them great for absorption. Plus, according to reflexology, your feet are packed with pressure points connected to your entire body.
Another tip? Spray it near your hair follicles for better absorption. Science suggests this enhances its effects.
Chapter 5. How much magnesium should you use? The recommended magnesium intake varies by age and sex, ranging from 310 milligrams to 420 milligrams per day.
For magnesium oil, follow the label's instructions, typically 5 to 20 sprays, depending on the concentration.
Chapter 6. Call to action. Start with a few sprays, adjust as needed, and let your body guide you.
Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to restful sleep with Magnesium Oil Spray.
Like, share, and subscribe for more tips to improve your sleep and health.